Hello and welcome to a short TFM tutorial. Let's take a look at TFM's IBC page. Within the IBC menu, we have two options, IBC swap and IBC transfer. The IBC transfer option is where we can send tokens from one network to another without swapping anything. It is simply a token transfer. So for example, we can move tokens from osmosis to neutron, and then this token list here shows us all the potential tokens we could transfer from osmosis to neutron. We could transfer 100 anti-RN tokens from osmosis directly to neutron. There's no swapping, it's just moving tokens from one network to another. When we look at the route, we can see this is just a direct transfer of anti-RN token from osmosis over to neutron. If you want to send tokens from one network to another without swapping, definitely choose IBC transfer instead of IBC swap.